Also, for those of you guys asking, the reason why I don't own anything on Robinhood, the only coin that I actually do own on Robinhood is Litecoin, which I'm probably gonna sell off once I break even on that. But I don't own any crypto on Robinhood because you don't actually own the coins. I don't know if you guys know that or not, but it's not your property. You're basically, all you're doing on Robinhood is basically buying. You're not buying actual crypto to use. Um, you're buying crypto based off of the actual what's the word for it? I'm blanking right now, but you're basically buying on the actual uh, on the chance that it's going up, right? So you're basically saying, oh, I think Bitcoin's gonna go up, but you're not actually buying, one or two or three Bitcoin or whatever you can afford, right? Or at least the crypto. You're basically saying, you know what, I'm gonna buy, crypto, thinking it's gonna go up, and then it goes down, I lose money, whatever. But on Coinbase, you actually own all of your coins. On Robinhood, you do not. I don't know if that was actually, like universal information that everybody knew. But yeah, don't use Robinhood for crypto. Um, Use Coinbase or use something else like Binance US.